Hi, I'm Gina. Welcome to my channel. I have to be honest with you. Today, I'm just not in a great mood. I'm not. I am so stressed. Things in my life are just, I feel like they're spinning out of control. And I feel kind of wound up, kind of keyed up, but yet exhausted at the same time. And so I thought, what better thing to do to hopefully kind of bring me a sense of calm and a sense of peace than to art journal. It truly is art therapy. If you get keyed up as well and you need an outlet, please try it, because it doesn't matter how it looks, to be honest. Yeah, everybody wants to have something amazing, some beautiful masterpiece when they're finished, but that's not the point of art therapy. And even art journaling, it's an avenue, it's a place to express yourself and whatever it is that you're feeling. I may use dark colors, it may be a really dark piece, but then again it may start out as a dark piece, but toward the end maybe I start to lighten things up, my mood eases, and it turns out to be a very different piece than from when I started. You just don't know. You just have to wait and see. So I'm going to get started, and we'll just have to wait and see how it ends up. All right, this is where I ended up. This is kind of a darker piece. It's darker than what I normally do. It's dark and it's messy. You know, I was in the mood, I just wanted to rip. I was working quickly through most of it, just to kind of let things out. And the two pieces that I chose, I'll bring it up. One is the definition of life, and the other is the definition of sweet. And it's just to remind all of us that life is sweet. Life is precious. And you need to cherish your life and those of your family and friends and everyone around you. It's funny, COVID kind of set things off for this year, you know. It trickles down into everything. Whether you have some other ailment and you're not able to receive your treatment, or funds are cut or eliminated. Some services have shut down, especially when it comes to, you know, drug and mental health. What do these people do? Their drug addiction and mental health issues don't disappear because COVID-19 has arrived and changed things. So it's just a very difficult time in the world, and it's affecting everybody in some way, whether it's you personally or somebody that you know. So that's just really kind of where I am today, and I don't know if you enjoyed it. I hope you did, but I want more than anything for you to understand that when you journal, you just journal to let out whatever's inside. Don't worry so much about how it looks, because that kind of defeats the purpose. It's just a great way to get a release, put your feelings onto paper, you know, in a visual way. And yeah, I feel better. You know, are all the problems solved? No. But the stress I was feeling when I started is much less. I'm relaxed, and, you know, which is great because it's past my bedtime and I need to go to bed. It is the work week. It's the middle of the week. It's Wednesday. So anyway, I hope you did enjoy the video today. Please leave me a comment. What's been stressing you out? Is COVID-19 getting you down? How is it affecting you? What other services have been affected? Let's start that conversation. So leave a message below. And that's it for this one. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.